In this video, I'll answer the question, what is the best score for Experian? And more importantly, what does it actually mean for you? Let's jump right in. Experian is one of the 3 major credit bureaus, and like the others, it uses a credit scoring range from 300 to 850. So the best score you can get on Experian is 850. Now, here's the thing. You don't need a perfect score to be considered excellent. In fact, once your score hits 720 or above, most lenders will see you as a very low-risk borrower. That means you'll likely qualify for the best interest rates, credit cards, and loan terms. Scores between 300 to 579 equals poor. 580 to 669 equals fair. 670 to 739 equals. Good, 740 to 799 equals. Very good, 800 to 850 equals excellent. Quick tip. Focus less on hitting 850 and more on staying in that good to excellent range. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick credit and money tips. See you next time.